Rolling?
Yes, sir.
It was a routine meeting of BCCI AGM where everything was, as per the agenda. So there is no significant decision that has been taken. Everybody congratulated today our women team which has won the World Cup. The Indonesia Cup, the Asian Games they have won the gold. And apart from that, same ombudsman recently we appointed. And apart from that, we have decided to spend more on cricket activities. So cricket activities will be encouraged.
कसं पुढे गेलं
मोबाईल्स घेतले